Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and today we're going to talk about the index filter facelift feature inside ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're not already on ClickFunnels 2.0, go check out the description section to sign up today. And there's also some really good other resources as well in the description section. And so the first thing that I want to do is I want to review the changelog. Now, the changelog is basically ClickFunnels way of communicating any new features or updates inside ClickFunnels 2.0 to us as the users. And so, like I mentioned, this is with the index filter facelift. And so it says, elevate your data filtering experience on index pages. We designed this feature to streamline how you organize and manage data across index pages. With a refreshed interface and improved functionality, creating and saving filters has never been easier. And some of the key benefits and features: enhanced query builder interface, enjoy a sleek, intuitive design that simplifies the filter creation process, easy filter saving, save frequently, use filters effortlessly with the new modal system, improve navigation, quickly locate and organize your data with optimized tools and workflows, and then future enhancements. Look forward to this experience expanding to broadcast audiences and workflow conditional split steps. This update transforms filtering into a seamless and visually appealing process, empowering you to work smarter with your data. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump inside my ClickFunnels 2.0 demo account, and we're going to walk through this filtering for funnels, customers, and products. And so we're inside my ClickFunnels 2.0 demo account. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on this funnels over here. And this is where we have the filters. So we're going to click filters. And then there's two sections right here. We have filter attributes and then save filters. So filter attributes is anything you'd like to filter off of. So we have created at, status, funnel tags, updated at, and name. And then save filters would be the list of any save filters. So what we're going to do first is create a filter. So we're going to do it based off of funnel tags, and then we'll just do it off of imported. So anything that has the imported tag on the funnel, it's going to filter based off of that, and it's going to show it. And there's also rules as well where there's is not, is one of, is not one of as well. So it gives you a few different options of what you could do. So we're going to click apply. And then this is going to give me all the funnels that I've imported inside my demo ClickFunnels 2.0 workspace with a tag of imported. And now if you want to, you could either clear the filter or you could save the filter. So we're going to save it for right now. And so we're just going to call it test imported filter. And then we're going to click enter to save it. And then we saved it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go check out the filter section for that saved filter. And so what we're going to do is we're going to clear this filter right here and then go to filter and then go under saved filters. And then we have that test imported filter right here. We're going to select it and it's already going to filter for me already. So that's how you do filtering inside the funnels. Now we're going to jump over to the products and then check out that filtering as well. So we're going to go over to products on the left-hand side and then go to all products. And then we have that same filter button right here. And so with this one, there's a lot more things that we could do. So we could do for filter attributes, there's commissionable, payment type, product name, updated at, created at, price amount, product tags, visible and customer center, inventory count, price visibility, stocked at location, and visible in store. So there's a lot more things that we could do with products, but the principle still applies where you could create your filter attributes here. So maybe we did it for, maybe we'll just do it based off a product name. So rule is, and then we'll do red bottle, then click apply. It's going to filter for just that red bottle. And then you could also do like multiple filters as well. So its product name is red bottle. You could do and plus and then create a new filter as well. Or you could do an or statement. So its product name is red bottle, or let's say product name is, we have a blue bottle here. So blue bottle, then click apply. So it's going to create a red bottle and a blue bottle inside the search feature right here. And like I mentioned, you could click save to save the filter, or this is to clear it out. So if we want to like reset the filters, we could just click clear and it's going to reset it as if you first clicked on all products. So that's how you do it for products. Now we're going to jump over to the customer section as well and walk through the filtering options there. And so I went to customers and then contacts, and then under here we could click on filters, and there's a lot more things that we could filter based off of contacts. So we have the groupings under contact attributes, contact activity, products, broadcast, and custom. And then these are all the different items that we could filter based off of. So let's see how many there are. Maybe we could quickly kind of go through it. So under contact attributes, you have contact details, created at, first name, LTV, contact tags, email address, and then last name. Then contact activity, we have enrolled in a course, last activity, opted in on funnel step, unsubscribed at, updated at, viewed funnel step, viewed product page. And under products, we have canceled recurring products, canceled recurring product variant, has active subscription, order declined product, order declined variant, owns product variant, purchase product variant. And under broadcast, we have clicked link and broadcast, open broadcast, received broadcast. And then these custom ones, these are the custom contact attributes that we've created previously. So I'll link a description or link of the video in the description on how to create custom contact attributes if you're interested in that. But same principle, so you could filter based off of all these different options, and then over on the right hand side, it'll have either clear or save. You could save it as a filter step as well. So that's the index filter facelift feature. Just want to walk through the different filtering options between funnels, products, and customers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below on this video. Love to help you out. And like I mentioned, my name is Austin Dorman. I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And thank you so much for watching this ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial.